All right, guys, this is inside Miss Hopkins' cabin. Just doing a little walkthrough real quick, guys. It turned out so beautifully. Look at those huge windows she did. She upgraded to these huge windows just to allow all that natural light to come in. She put that glass door on the side there. Beautiful. See that? She's an avid book reader. She's a painter, so she actually painted this. There's your mini split. She chose this fan. It just turned out beautifully, guys. This is a modern, we call this the modernized Big Bertha 2.0. She did put a sliding glass door here. Okay. She got a little pantry over there. That goes upstairs to her art studio and office, which you'll see that in my other videos. She's got her dishwasher here. She did have us lower the kitchen cabinets because she's shorter. That way she can get to everything. Huge farm sink. Again, regulation size refrigerator. She got her stackable. She does have her, there you go, pocket doors there. Just lovely, guys. It just turned out beautiful. Again, this is our modernized Big Bertha 2.0. We call it modernized because instead of doing the 4x6 log cabin, she went ahead with 2x6s, and that way we can insulate it on the inside. We got the fiberglass insulation inside, D-log siding on the outside, and as you can see, the beautiful tongue and groove pine on the inside. So this was the look she was going for with the beautiful LVP floors. She is an avid quilt collector, and she collects plates. And she says she wasn't a big cook, so she's got this cook stove deal going on. But if you wanted a regular stove, we could do that. She's got her air fryer. And again, she lowered all the kitchen cabinets. Again, it just turned out beautiful. So let me take a peek outside here. She's got a 24-foot covered porch. Look at her views, guys. And then she's got a ramp here, so as she gets older, she can make it up and down, no problem. There's her D-log siding there. And just turned out beautifully, guys. That's what it looks like on the outside. And if you want to see my other video, I go upstairs. You can see what that looks like up on the second floor, where she's got her office on the one side and her art studio on the other. So go check out my YouTube channel for the full tour.
Hey everybody! We are in the Rocky model, RV park model. We actually did a video for you all yesterday. We have one exactly like this on the lot that I'm going to get into the detail and talk about the differences and upgrades and stuff like that we can do. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go back and watch the video. That way you can see what I'm going to talk about here. So from the very beginning, the one that we have on the lot, as you walk in, we have the kitchen just like this, but we do have a smaller living room and a bedroom right here. But to be honest, I fell in love with this one because it makes it really nice and spacious. I love it over here, and my son is really acting like he's so but we did a drive and he's just chilling over here. But anyways, these are some of, I want to go over the upgrades because I love this one. This is actually, I think, for a customer that they made upgrades with the countertops. This is the coarse countertops. Very cool. And if you guys remember the video we did yesterday in the, and also can correct me if I'm wrong, I think we had shelves on this side.
Yeah, we had shelves kind of like this, but we didn't have full-blown kitchen cabinets like this.
Exactly, and that's what I was talking about yesterday, that you can turn these shelves into the cabinet. But some people like the static, which I do too. I think it just gives it a different vibe. It's really nice. And of course, the accent color makes all the difference. And in this one, actually, we have the same size stove, but we do have a little surprise over here. A little mini dishwasher comes handy.
Very handy. Yes. Can't go wrong with the dishwasher.
Exactly. Exactly.
And something I wanted to point out as well, on the other model, it stops right here.
I think so.
But over here, they built an L-shaped island here. So that way you have a sitting room over here for your, when you're, having your meals. So you have 2 stools here, and now you have a spot to chill when you are eating your meal. Actually, I just noticed too, Nadia, could you,
yes, I noticed that.
there's
more storage.
some storage space there that I just noticed.
Nice and deep.
Yeah, so now you have another
More
closet
storage.
here with more storage underneath the bar area. Okay, so super cool.
And look at this little nook over here to hang your clothes, store your shoes, or whatever you want to do. And it's the same color as the cabinets, just to bring everything together. And more cabinets up here. To be honest, there's plenty of cabinet space in this little RV model.
Yep.
And then, again, I think everything else is the same as the one that we have on the lot currently, and that one.
Yeah, just the color scheme is different. They went with this kind of ocean, beachy, white and blue concept,
cool.
which I think really kind of looks it's almost like you're on a permanent vacation,
Yeah,
in
it
this.
feels truly like home, or I think this makes a great Airbnb.
Absolutely.
investment if you want to do that, which a lot of our customers love that. Walk-in shower, another window over here, stackable washer and dryer.
Whirlpool, right? Top of the line brand.
Absolutely.
And the windows are Anderson windows. And again, take a look at this, guys. Look at this shot of this living room and how open, airy, and look at the colors.
Windows, really.
Yeah, lots. Again, when you're in a smaller space and you have a shed style roof on the front side, big windows, dark floors, white walls or light walls and a light ceiling, it's gonna make the space feel a lot more open, airy, and livable. Okay, so let's make our way now back to the bedroom area. And
as you pass the bathroom, we just shown, this is your bedroom over here.
electrical panel.
Nice and spacious with the beautiful windows over here. I love this.
Built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. We are AmishBuiltCabins.com. This is the cabin we call the Big Bertha 3.0 cabin. Beautiful structure. This is the living room. Quick little tour here. This is the downstairs master bedroom. And of course, in the downstairs master, you got to have your master bathroom, right? Nice and convenient. Okay. Got your electric already wired, 200 amp. Got your little living room, like I said. That goes upstairs to the second floor. Underneath the stairs here, you got your 40-gallon water heater, or we can go tankless if you want. Got your galley kitchen here, everything included: stove, refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher. Got your nice pretty little farm sink here. Look out your window to your land. Refrigerator. Got your little pantry door right over here. Over here, keep going. Stackable washer and dryer. Again, generous, nice size. Communal bathroom. Bathroom essential closet goes in here. Again, your little spot there for your dining room nook. I'll go upstairs and show you that and walk outside real quick. This is just a little quick tour, y'all. Go upstairs. And here you got like an A-frame style bedroom. Okay, one of your dormers is here. All kinds of natural light coming in. Look at that knotty pine. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, look at that. Got your LVP floors. Got knotty pine rails. And then huge loft. This thing is massive, guys. You could fit 3 king-size beds in here. There's your other dormer. We got it set up as an office, but most folks will wall this off, just like that one's walled off over there, and make it a third master bedroom, or just a third bedroom in general. Beautiful. Look at that. Remember too, y'all, I'm 6'6". I'm a tall fella, and I got all kinds of headspace up here, so it ain't tight up here. Keep going. Show you the outside real quick, the money shot. There's your back door. Underneath here, you got what I call them doggy doors, where you get a little extra storage underneath the stairs. And then show you the outside for the money shot here. You come outside, you got a porch, 6 foot by 46 foot porch. There's the Big Bertha 1.0. This is the Big Bertha 3.0 right here. Okay. So this is what it looks like from the outside. Beautiful cabin. Built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. Remember too, if you don't want the D-log siding, we can do the metal siding on it. We can do a different color stain on it if you want. We can add a third dormer up there. We can take the dormers off. Lots of options. On the inside, we can do all white walls instead of the knotty pine. So lots of options there. If you are interested, give us a call at 812-595-4033. Again, that's 812-595-4033. This is the Big Bertha 3.0 cabin. Link in the bio. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I love y'all. Y'all be blessed.